Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by closing Office and saving everything. This prevents file lock conflicts. Once done, make sure Windows Update is current and you have at least 2 GB free so the repair can write temp files. Next, open Control Panel and go to Programs and Features to find Microsoft Office. You're taking these steps to remove external blockers. Starting repair from the app list ensures the tool runs with admin privileges and can re-register components correctly. You now select Office and choose Change. Start with Quick Repair to restore missing files fast without reinstallation. If the issue persists, run Online Repair because it reinstalls core components and refreshes registry keys. This requires internet and admin rights. While that runs, monitor progress and note any error codes. If you see failures, open Event Viewer or the Office repair logs to capture exact messages so you can target the specific You finish by restarting the PC so repaired components load cleanly, then sign into Office to confirm activation and sync. Make sure to restore personalized settings via File Options or clear the Office cache and %app data % if corrupted. If configuration still hangs, run System File Checker, SFC, and DISM to fix Windows integrity issues. Once those complete, retry the Office Online Repair. A key troubleshooting tip: capture the exact error code and search the log before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.